Here I have Xiaomi 12T, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then you have to switch to the more modes. Like, before you switch, I'm just gonna tell you that on this device you only have two different photo resolutions. You have just normal resolution, which you can access in normal photo mode, and you have like this 108 megapixels super high resolution, which you can access by going to the more modes and selecting it here. So as you can see, 108 Ultra HD resolution enabled, and that's how you can switch it so easily. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.